In this video, you are going to see how to make motion change animated welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us insert a picture from my computer. Click on Insert, then the image will be inserted and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to over here, click on right button, make a duplicate slide. Now let us go to the second slide, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us write here Welcome. Select the font, change the font to Montserrat extra bold and change the font size to 120 point. Now you have to place it at the center of the slide. So let us select the text, make it center. Select the image, hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to picture format, go to align, align center, align middle. Then it will be in the perfect position. Now click on the picture, hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to shape format, go to merge shape and click on intersect. Now I have to add some effect. Click on it, go to picture format, go to picture effect, go to shadow and let us choose this one, perspective upper left. Then again go to picture effect, go to reflection and let us choose this one, half reflection 4-point offset. Again go to picture format, go to glow and choose the fast glow. Again go to picture effect, go to bevel and let us choose the first one, round. Now let us select the text, press Ctrl C to copy and go to second slide and press Ctrl V to paste. Now let us click on this image, click on right button, go to format picture. Go to over here picture, go to picture transparency and make it 55 point. Now let us zoom out, hold down the Ctrl key and scroll the mouse, click on the image and increase its size. Click on the image, go to animation, go to add animation, choose lines and go to effect option, make it left. Now click on this small arrow key and drag it like this to the left. Now click on outside, go to animation pane, go to over here, go to effect option. We have to make it the animation auto reverse and go to timing and choose until end of the slide and make the start with previous and click on OK. Now let us watch the slideshow. And here you will see this is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.